Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
I just want to go into detail and show you how you clean tripe. I have 2 bowls here. I'm running cold water over it. And then I have another bowl over here, which I'll turn right here. Turn off the water. So, peel this apart. And this white part that's in here, that's the part that you're going to clean. You're going to take a knife and you're just going to scrape all those white fatty pieces off. You probably can get a cutting board or something and scrape it off. Might be easier for you. This doesn't have, it's just skin, extra skin. If you had the scalding tripe, it would have more on it. But this one doesn't have as much. See, some of it you could just peel off. You could open this up and you just cut the little bit of fat that's in there out. Scrape it. Some of them even have little pieces of hairs, but this one don't seem to have any. So you just keep cutting, and then after you finish getting all the fat off, then you would cut it up into small pieces. That skin. It's the fat. Peel it off. I hope this helps you and shows you how to go about cleaning tripe. I'm going to clean the rest of them, and then I'll be back with you shortly. All right? So remember, this is the side that you're cleaning, and this is the honeycomb side. That's the difference. A little bit of fat right there. Just cut that little piece out.